Today I have a SP laserjet Pro 501 printer, and this printer problem is paper is not pick upping. Okay, you can see here is a paper. Press the OK button. It's try to pick upping, but it's not work. Today I'll solve this problem. Very simple and easy. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Okay, let's start. I will open this part, and here is a lock, and this lock also open. And after that I'll open this side. And here is one motor. This motor may be problem. I will replace this. This lock I open. This now it's open. Maybe this motor is problem. Already motor is here. I need to open this motor. I will open this power supply and this power switch. And after that here is one screw and inside of the motherboard, and here is also one screw. I'll open it. This motor gear has been broken. Okay, and this is the new one. I will install here. Okay, I check all this thing and everything is okay except the motor, and this motor gear is broken. You can see this. Okay, change it. Let's fitting in and after that check and it's work or not perfectly. Okay, I installed this part from this side, and you can see this is the cooling fan connection. Okay, let's cover this and after that print, and let's check it. I have given the test base and it perfectly printed. Okay, and you can see after completely fitting this printer and check this printer paper tray true. Okay, give the test base. And it's perfectly printing. Okay, it's completely okay. Okay viewers, thanks for watching, and if you need any printer related help, Please comment below.